Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix ChatGPT too many redirects error. This too many redirects error can occur on ChatGPT if the server is overloaded with traffic. Now, the second thing is third-party apps such as VPNs may interfere with the browser's activities and disrupt access to the ChatGPT site. Now, to fix this problem, firstly, you need to disconnect your VPN if you have connected for some reasons. Now, this should solve the problem. If this is not the case, then you should check is down or not. For doing that, search for status.openai.com and check if there's any kind of problem in OpenAI. If this is not the case, then you should head over to the other solution, which is to log out from this ChatGPT account and again get logged into ChatGPT. Now get logged out of ChatGPT and then again get logged into ChatGPT account. This may also help you to solve your problem, but this solution also didn't work. Then you should clear all the cookies and data of ChatGPT. Now to do so, tap on the three dots on the top right and from there tap on settings option. Now tap on privacy and security. Now tap on clear browsing data option. Now make sure to check these two boxes and then tap on clear data button. After you tap on clear data button, it should solve your problem. And that was the solutions to fix ChatGPT too many directs error. I hope this video has been useful to you. If it was, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.